Hey designers, in this tutorial, we are going to quickly create a pattern in Adobe Illustrator. First of all, draw a rectangle here and now take the ellipse tool and draw a circle. Here, adjust its position and give it a color. Now we will copy this circle thrice. One will be placed along it and the other will be placed on top of them. Now adjust the rectangle, make it come where the circle ends, from the top and also on the right side. Now select all. Take the Shape Builder tool and let's make shapes like this. Remove the other shapes with the help of the Shape Builder tool by pressing the Alt key on your keyboard. After you are done doing it, make a duplicate of this shape and rotate it. Adjust its placement, select both of them and then scale them down. Now select one of them and give it this pinkish shade. Now select both of them, I will scale them down a bit more. Select both of them, go to Object, Repeat, and Grid. Now adjust their position vertically and horizontally by dragging the smaller icons on the top and one on the left side. And you got this pattern. Thank you so much for watching. If you think that this tutorial was helpful, consider subscribing to my channel. Do like this video and please comment on this video as well.